Hello everyone, in this video we look at H-adaptive mesh method in SolidWorks, an iterative technique where the solver analyzes the force flow and geometry and continuously refines the mesh until the solution converges within a defined interval. So so let's start by creating a new study. Let's call it basic study, the static one. Apply some material to this part, alloy steel. Let's fix this part, the back side, and apply some load. 6,000 Newton. And let's mesh this, create a mesh course, and let's apply a curved based mesh, and let's mesh this. This is a basic mesh, auto-generated mesh, and as you can see it's finer in some parts, and yeah. And let's run this study. And as you can see, the maximum pressure in megapascal is 255 in this area, and the displacement is 0.3 millimeter. And let's copy the study and do the H-adaptive mesh. Copy study. Let's call this H-adaptive and create the static one. The force, the material, and everything is fixed, just the mesh. But let's go to properties. Change this adaptive to H-adaptive. The accuracy should be 1%. Let's do 5 iterations, and coursing, mesh coursing. Apply the mesh coursing to those areas that doesn't need so this mesh. Let's run this study. As you can see, 1 iteration is completed, 2 iterations, 3, 4, and the 5th iteration. Yeah. Before we look at the results, let's look at the mesh. Show mesh. As you can see, this is the H-adaptive mesh, and it refines the mesh in the areas that are sensitive because the force is applied in this direction. It wants to bend this, and these parts are influenced, and the mesh is automatically refined here. And let's look at the results and compare. This is a little bit higher than the last one, 268, and this one was 255, so maybe 55, 68, 13 megapascal larger, and the displacement is almost the same. So this is the difference between edge-adaptive mesh and an auto-generated mesh. Thank you.